We are pleased to show you the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.